Hey, do you want to know which real estate agents are actively showing buyers homes that are comparable to your listing that you might have active on the market right now? I'm going to show you how to run a report through showingtime.com that will show you how to pull agents who are actually showing homes that might be comparable to yours. So that way you could potentially reach out to them and ask them, hey, what about my house? You missed this one. This report right here, you can log in and go in through showingtime.com. And when you do that, down here under reports, you can click on this, and then you're going to see a variety of different reports. This one right here, the one that you want, is called Activity on Comparables Reports. This allows you to search for sales associates who have shown listings comparable by price, area, zip code, etc. We can run a report and see, hey, are there other homes that have been shown similar to ours in the area? We can click here, click on the last 30 days. We can now start to apply filters, right? So maybe I want to type in Denver. Maybe I want to start to hammer in on price range, right? I can do however many bedrooms I have. You can get more specific as we go down through zip code and property type, etc. But let's just maybe just kind of hone in here. Maybe I'll click Cherry Creek. Maybe I was a little bit too specific on that one. But you can see here as we filter this in, we can start to see results on agents who have actively shown homes. It shows the showing appointment time, it shows the name, gives their email, phone number. And maybe if I was an agent who had a listing comparable to this area that fit within these filters, it may make sense for me to reach out to these agents, give them a call and say, hey, what about my listing? So if you have listings sitting, this is another unique strategy that you can apply to help your sellers really take action here today and see what's getting shown by other real estate agents and maybe reach out to them and ask them, hey, check out my home. So I hope that was helpful. If you have questions on this, reach out to me, Jared Larkin with Chicago Title. I run the website Mile High Title Guy. I am a sales executive here in Colorado with Chicago Title. I help real estate agents grow their business. I host and teach a ton of different classes and events to help real estate agents, whether it's workshops, social media, AI, video, marketing, Facebook, Google, so many things. If you want to learn more, if you want to get more tips like this, sign up for my website for my weekly emails and you'll get hooked up. See you in the next video.